Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today, I'm gonna make a freestanding gonk or gnome. I'm very excited about this video. I'm gonna make a freestanding gonk. Here she is with the little booties. And I made it last year and I love it so much. I just had the idea when I kept seeing all these gonks and gnomes, and I thought, you know what? I want to have a go. I want to try to make one. And so I did. But I wanted to make her so she wasn't just for Christmas, because a gonk is not just for Christmas. And so that's why I made it with these colors, because obviously I love pink. And I've been collecting a lot of fabric over the years, because I used to go to fabric shops and buy all the leftover, like all the remnants. I can't say it. So basically the bits that nobody wants, and they're like offcuts, that's it, offcuts. And that's what I used to do. So because this was curtain fabric, so I've used that because I love it. I'm going to use it again on the gonk that I'm going to do today, but it's going to be more Christmassy. So I hope you like this video. I try to make it as smoothly as possible, but there's loads of bits that they need to come together. It's very easy, but there's loads of sewing and gluing. So get yourself comfy. I hope you're going to enjoy this video and watch to the end to see what the gonk looks like. Let's get on with it. Let's stop talking. Let's fuff about because we got a lot to do. First of all, body and legs. So what I'm going to do, the legs are going to go pretty much all the way up, because then they're going to give a nice support to the body when the gonk stands up. So I'm going to make sure that they have an even distance. Now that we've got the legs attached to the body, we need to dress her. Here we go, we've got the little dress, and we're gonna attach some of this fluffy fabric all around it. And there we go, and now she has a skirt. By the way, I've folded the fabric, sewn on top, and then stuffed it and sewn the edges as well. So now I've got like this lovely little cushion, and I'm gonna wrap it around in a circle on the legs, and job done. So let's glue this. So that's gonna keep the boots nice and snug and tight. She now has leg warmers. It's time to attach the boots. Very excited. What I'm going to do with the boots, just to give it a little bit of stability, I've got some brown rice and a funnel. So I'm gonna put some inside. Whew, wish me luck. And here she is. And the boots are attached. Now what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at where the nose and the arms are going to go. So we got the arms. I'm going to glue the hands inside. One this way, so making sure that the seam is at the back, and then I've cut them at a slight angle, so then I turn them that way and you got a sleeve. Okay, now we position the arms. Let's glue that. And now the arms are attached. Oh, she's coming along nicely. Now what she needs is some plaits. So let's do that. I've already made one. What I've used a card which is about 28 centimeters long, and I wrapped the wool around about 80 times, and then I split it into 2 batches. And then I made a little plait. So I'm going to do the same with this other bit. And then we can attach it. Before I glue them in position, let's give her a nose. Let's thread all around it, roughly. All around the edges, just going in and out, and we pull the strings, we put the stuffing inside, and we're going to glue the nose right there, and the plait, one there and one there. And we do the hat. Same as we did before, we're gonna line it on the inside first, and we're ready to glue it all around the edges. And the gonk would not be complete if she's not holding something. And I made this little gingerbread man with felt, and she's gonna be holding that. Oh, ain't she cute? And we glue it right there. Then we glue one hand there, one hand there. And the last thing to do is to decorate the plats. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I love this ribbon because it's so cool, so cool. And we're going to do 2 little bows. And let's attach some decoration in the middle of the bow. And here she is, all finished with the little boots. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notifications of when the next video is coming out. And if you enjoyed this video, why not check out the video of where I made the boots? And also, if you are interested in the patterns that I've used to make this gonk, check out my website so you can find more details. And here she is. Thank you so much for watching, and take care for now. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.